In the last 7 days, 825 million 89,783 Terra Classic coin has been burned so far in the last 7 days. Okay, over 825 million coins. After that, at the time of recording this, the market cap is still trading at $380 million. Wow, 800, almost approaching 900 million. Well, I think they have really increased in terms of burning based on weekly. Okay, because for the past few 2-3 weeks, they have been burning below 500 million, apart from when Binance burned on 1st or 2nd of this month. Okay, apart from that, the Terra Classic has been burning more before, but they have been burning over 1.3 billion before they dropped to 400 million due to the market volume. But right now, they have actually increased, hitting closer to 900 million coins, which I believe very soon might hit 1 billion coins. But the problem here is that when Luna was burning 1.3 billion, the market volume was high, but it was mostly coming from the buying side. That means people were buying more Terra Classic, which is double winning in the area of burning and in the area of getting more market cap. But in this case, it will soon hit 1 billion burn in 7 days. Same way, like in two winning, this one is not two winning anymore, because right now Terra Classic are burning a little bit higher, but the market cap is dropping because people are mostly on sell, not on buy. Because remember, the tax bond always charge whether you're going bullish or bearish, whether you're going long or short, whether you're buying or selling, okay? Whether you're going green or red, they charge you. Now, Luna, mostly people are on red, are on bearish, but the burning have really increased. They are benefiting from the burning, but they are losing in terms of market cap and market volume, which will further more affect Terra Classic later. So that is the situation right now with Terra Classic for today. So I believe, well, one good thing is the Terra Classic coin for me, and that the important thing I love about them is that they are really taking their time, but they are also creating different ways they want to help push Terra Classic coin. Now, Terra Classic coin for me, I believe that anyone that have Terra Classic coin before the crash, right now they want to see Luna rise because they want to recover some of their loss. But for me, I think Terra Classic coin, by God's grace, will still increase. But all you need is patience and patience. Please remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.